Some misconceptions include that this is only a school for flight attendants. Pero di yung totoo, te. Hey there! I am Aika, a third-year BS Tourism student in the Asian Institute of Tourism in UP Diliman. Join me as I take you on a tour around my college. Tara! So, why did I actually take BS Tourism? Syempre, ano pa nga ba? Eh di syempre, dahil sobrang gala ko, di ba? I like going to places, visiting new people. I love traveling. Some misconceptions include that this is only a school for flight attendants. Pero di yung totoo, te. Because BS Tourism in UPAIT is very broad. Maraming matututunan. And as a matter of fact, many of our alumni are now CEOs. Some of them also hold high positions in the private firms or in the government. Meron sa hotels, meron din sa mga other known brands. And some of them are also teaching in the academy. Here in AIT, I've grown to love events. We love events. The AIT Student Council typically organizes events such as the Pailaw and the Market during the Buwan ng Linangan. And you know what? UPAIT is kind of different with other schools. Here, we tend to focus more on research, helping communities and destinations develop tourism while also training students for service. The community here in AIT is actually very friendly, welcoming, na parang pamilya na yung turing sa isa't isa. Even the faculty and staff, they will say hi and smile to you kapag nakasalubong mo sila sa corridors o sa hallways. Kaya ano, tara? I really love studying people and culture. So I guess my favorite subjects are Tour 113, Tourism and Philippine Culture, and Tour 122, Tourism Destination Management and Governance. And you know what? Here in UPAIT, we do a lot of academic field activities around the Philippines. Before, I went to the Banawe Rice Terraces, one of the wonders of the world. There, we were able to assess the local communities while also experiencing their usual routine within 3 days and 2 nights. Words of wisdom. Maybe some of you are still confused on which path to take, but slowly, step by step, I hope you will know, and I hope you will know yourself eventually on what to pursue. So, just take all the opportunities that you can. If you're passionate about people and culture just like me, then tourism might be for you. This video was made in partnership with UP Travel Society, the first university-based travel organization in Asia based in the UP Asian Institute of Tourism. Once again, I am Aika and this is Crash Course.